Ladies and gents, we're about to go thrifting. Hey, what's going on, Hector? ¿Cómo estás? About to go thrifting here at the Boulder Highway Swap Meet. This place is a gem. Very quiet, peaceful. So peaceful, you hear the tires turning on the little wagon over there. The vendors are so helpful. We're gonna be stopping by to see Hector in a moment. I often find things from him, but even if I don't, I like to say hi. Very welcoming. I love this place. I wish more people would come and visit and support these vendors because they have a lot of things, not just for reselling, but things you may need yourself. I am looking for glass, and other things worth getting. So let's find some stuff. I'm gonna go to my go-tos first. I like this style. Gardening, chandelier that's plastic. Gotta look down in all the good stuff. Ooh, this looks like a vanity powder container. Some of these could be worth a lot of money. Some of these are silver on top. This is plastic. Really nice. I have one myself I just cleaned up. That's pretty. Put that on top so you see it and scoop it up. Look at that rocking horse up there. That's pretty. So is that elephant banner. It's pretty long. It's like a streamer. All right, a lot of big stuff here. All right, let's try another one, folks.
Don't handle everything. Just look at it. Come on.
Wow, it's big. Look at these little containers. Those are cool. Oh, I didn't even see this red glass that I was in. The blues will caught my attention somehow. Oh, it's flash color. No thank you, not flash. Some nice little pieces of glass in here.
Morning, boss. How you doing? Good, man. How about you?
Another nice green little piece. I just had a knickknacks auction, and green seemed to be popular, but it's all about pricing it at the right cost to make it worth getting and buying on both ends. But I like this. But this here, folks, this MCM piece right here, this is like $100. These are very pricey. Ooh, this is making me shake. Not just because it's heavy, but how big it is. This is what I love. I love glass.
I'll buy this for my sister.
Let's see what he's asking for.
I'll buy this for my sister.
Hopefully it's not a crazy price, but if the prices are good, and the prices are really good, that's when I end up asking for bundles. I look around even more. How much you going for these?
Give me $3.
Sure. I'll put them on the side.
Yep.
I'll look for more stuff.
You want that one too?
Yeah.
The blue one?
Oh, no.
Okay.
I'm just going to put them on the side.
Okay.
Knowing my luck, I'll put them down and somebody will like it and grab it. And
Right.
I'm too much of a nice guy to be like, I want those. How long you been selling here?
Oh, a while.
Yeah.
Today's my last day though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Getting out of here?
Yeah, they don't advertise it. We get like the same people every week. They see our stuff. We ain't been making enough money lately, so.
Where are you going to head out to? Broad Acres?
No, we're just done.
Just done with that? Sorry to hear that.
Nah, the classes got boring.
Yeah.
Turned into a job.
These are cool. I like little figurines like this as well. I didn't see this up here. What's going on? Is this Tweety bird for sale?
It is.
How much?
Tell me.
Does it work?
I don't think so.
$5?
Yeah.
I don't want to pull something and then
Alright.
break something else. Oh, it's like right there. No wonder. Oh, I think there's a screw that's holding it in the back end. A screw holding a screwdriver.
Oh, it is. Who did that? That has to be.
Either way, it's still cool. Some screwiness going on. Folks, this is like $75 to $80. Even with that little puka on the bottom of the puka. This is the sad part about the community sometimes. It's not that it's anybody's fault, it's just sometimes places like this don't go seen or heard, and little by little we try to bring them together. Wow, folks, look at this big footprint right there. That is a big one. There's so much stuff inside here, and things are piling up, so I gotta look really good for some treasures. It's a lot of toys. They gotta just start letting this stuff go for $1. Let's go visit one of my favorites here, Hector. See how he's doing. And see what he has. You never know what Hector has. See a sniffer in there.
Hola, hola.
Hey, how you doing, Hector?
Hey, how
¿Cómo
are
estás,
you?
my friend?
Good to see you.
Yeah. How you doing? How's the wife?
Oh, I'm home.
She's at home?
It's a day off.
Oh, nice. And the AC, huh? So, I love these lotus style lamps. Some people call them tulips, but they are lotus. And that's how you could get over. See holla, my friend?
I don't know. Déjame checarle aquí primero.
Okay, I'm gonna leave this here.
Porque si no, no va a prender. Sí, pero
You need $1, man?
nah, you wouldn't.
I would.
Bro, like who comes to the flea market without actual cash? Thank you, that's crazy. Hey, good looks.
There you go.
That's real nice
Yeah.
of you, man.
Yeah, Hector's a good guy.
Yeah,
Helping you is
so now
helping
you
him.
just made a legendary for me.
Hey, awesome, awesome.
Very nice of you. Hey, thank you. Well, I guess you should see what I'm buying. A little coin holder.
Oh, nice. Vivitar.
At first I
Old
thought
school
it was,
camera,
yeah, right?
but it's a case. Yeah.
But it's like a battery too. Just
Yeah.
like at first, that's what drove me to it because I'm looking for cameras. But then I'm like, wait a minute, it's a battery. So that's the both worlds.
Dope, man.
Appreciate
Dope.
you,
I'm
man.
Sonny.
Chris.
Sunny Las Vegas.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's
And this is Hector right here.
Hey Hector, very nice meeting
Hector's
you.
a great guy.
Listen, bro.
I was here last week, and there are some things that I didn't see because it's new stuff. Although it doesn't look like much changes, things do. And this right here, is this a paperweight? There's a little residue on top, but look at this. This is a reverse print. I'm not sure if this is a paperweight, but this is in really good condition. And I'm pretty sure reverse painting things like this go for a pretty good penny. Let me see how much Hector wants for this. Let me see if there's anything else before somebody comes up and snags it. I've been really trying to look for paperweights and glass vases. Mostly things that I could really just hold in my hand, because I don't want to pack big heavy stuff. It's like 101 degrees out here as well, and it's 11:14, and I am the third customer of the day. That's not good. This is tiny.
Finding all kind of stuff. I'm going through it. Because, you know, I don't want to store it. We don't got nowhere to store it. And if we can sell the house, she's going to have more money she ever had in her life.
This wasn't here last week.
Yeah, I had it over here.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Wow.
I didn't really want to sell it 'cause I couldn't figure the price.
Well, what's your price now?
I had at least get 10. But that's a real antique,
Yeah,
you know.
that is pretty. Yeah, I'll get this. I like these little houses.
Yeah, the little house collection.
Does this one go to it? It's the only one without a base.
Yeah, I had them in they came in this little box right here. And a piece right here. There's the front of one of the houses, one of the barns. Oh, it's right here. I didn't put it out.
Oh.
Little house collection. How much for all of them?
What you asking for?
This is again.
Do you know who that is?
Yeah, Emily. I'm hearing those
What are you doing over there, Emily?
Messing around.
Messing around? That's what we're doing over here. Messing around.
I'll let you pack it up here.
All right. Yeah, I'll pack
I
it
don't
up.
wanna break that.
What are you doing over there?
Fixing my tent.
Why'd you break it?
The wind broke it.
Oh, dang wind. You got wind insurance?
No.
Oh, you got to get wind insurance.
Right?
It's a new thing.
Hello, Sonny, Las Vegas.
A random dealer or just sparking your interest?
What's that?
A random dealer or just sparking your interest?
Interest. It's pretty. I've seen lamps like this, but not with the the swinging little fairy or little girl on there. That's pretty. That's old. It's almost like a ghost town in here. Whew, it is 106 degrees out. Hot, folks. I was drinking plenty of water yesterday and on my way over here because I knew it was gonna get warm. I might grab some water here in a second, but so far I'm good. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be. I picked up a few things, and when I get home, I'll tell you more about them. Stick around. Let's go check out the famous lady that's here. Oh, look at this aisle. This is a fun aisle. This gives it a lot of life. Let's go see what's inside here. I love jewelry, and I see a lot of it. A lot of gold. All right, I see a paperweight there and a paperweight there, or is that a vase? Let me see if I could get a closer look at it. Unfortunately, that glass piece wasn't for sale. How you doing, my friend?
Yesterday
I was like, I
I
thought I saw you.
Yesterday I was thinking, and you said, "What happened? They don't come in."
I came last week.
And I'm not here.
You were here.
And
I
you
think
don't
so.
say hi to me.
Because I had to get my brakes checked. My brakes. It's always great running into friends. I was trying to run into her last week, the famous cheapest, because we usually like to say hello to her and see what she has. And she's always changing her layout. Windstone Editions, North Hollywood, California. I think these might be something, but there's some little nips on the back, like on the top edging. These are cute little knickknacks that I like to look for. Fairy garden. I'm guessing it's for a garden. I found some amazing stuff from this lady. Let's see what else she got. And I think I already see something. We'll get to that in a second, but let me look down because I end up getting distracted with stuff and then I forget what I was looking at. Ashtrays, I love them, but I don't do well with them, so we're gonna pass on that. Coming up to what I was looking at are gonna be these two little paperweight glass fishes. I've never seen them frosted or shapes like this, and they are well made. Well, it's frosted, so you can expect the bottom to be frosted, but I could see some bubbles in this one right inside there. I might just get those. All right, I think I found a third thing. Oh, I thought it was wood on top. It's probably soapstone. It's a cute little figurine of a girl. I know that weather makes me feel like you feel what I'm going through. There's some little wear on here, but I like little stuff like this. And plus, the famous cheapest Letty has always been amazing to us, so I do want to show love and support. Look at that cute little pig right there. That's a cute little thingy. I think I'm gonna get those paperweights. It is getting hot as hell, folks. Let's see what else I got. Oh, look at that little piggy. That's cute. Little javelina. I got me a few items, several pieces of glass, but I think the one inside here is gonna be one of my favorite finds of the last 2 weeks. So I'm going to be coming back again next weekend because I already talked to several vendors of things that I'm looking for, and they said they have. I didn't ask for prices. I'd rather it be a surprise to me and them not worry about what they're looking for to price it. So it's not sneaky. It's just who knows more and who's willing to let go of stuff. Hey, what's going on? The biggest thing that changed about me after the last 2 years and me cleaning up my mess and being open to sharing my life with people is that I'm really finding a peaceful place for myself and speaking my mind, whether I sound weird or sound wrong, because I'm not trying to convince anybody of anything, only to let them know that I'm happy doing what I love, whether I find something or I don't. And the value in my time, I believe, is the value that you give back with your time watching me. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate you all and how much this community, the positive side of the community, has helped me get through so much stuff in my life that I've told people about and I've shared, and getting through fighting my own demons on a daily basis. So one day at a time is all you could live for, and look forward to other days ahead of us. All right, thrifting twice in one day. I must be going crazy because of the heat. It is 106 degrees out. I am trying out Goodwill off of Cheyenne and 95. I am looking for glass, jewelry, mainly those two. But maybe there's something else worth looking at and picking up.
10% off select tags every day. 50% off color tags change every week, so you never know what trade.
It's a little loud in here, so may have to work on a voiceover. And we found a paperweight. Is this the paperweight? What's on the, oh my goodness, there's another one.
You're listening to Goodwill Radio.
Folks, there are some paperweights. That's cool. $2.99.
Take a look around me, taking pages from a magazine, looking for the answer, ever since we were 17. You know what truth can be.
Less than 10 minutes and I was out of here. Picked up 2 items right away, 2 paperweights, which I'm wanting to find more of, so it worked out this time. Lately, I think all I've been finding is 2 items just about at a time. And they seem to be worth it. I still try to make the most of things and learn. But I know swap meets in the flea market here is really the place to get a lot more items and also stretch out your dollars. Be on the lookout for these small houses. They can be very valuable, ranging from $30 up to $100+ individually. I ended up getting all of these little houses for just $10. And then the little Murano vase, that is a valuable one that could sell up to $250. Now that the heat is really taking on full force with the heat wave here in Las Vegas, there isn't as much people out there shopping at the swap meet and at Broad Acres, which gets a lot more attention. So keep in mind when you're outsourcing, sometimes slow is better for you who is willing to put the effort in to find things like I am. If I could find it, you can too. I'll see you again soon. Make sure to like and subscribe.